Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to copy and paste text on any Samsung phone. Now, if you're using Samsung Messages app, first of all, just open Samsung Messages. Now from here, just open a contact and tap and hold on the text which you want to copy. Once you tap and hold on the text, from this pop-up menu, just select copy text. And once you do that, you will be able to paste the text anywhere. For example, I will open Notes. Now just tap on the blue icon on your cursor and select Paste, just like that. But if you're using Google Messages instead of Samsung Messages, just open Google Messages. From here, just open a contact, then tap and hold on the text which you want to copy. After you select the text, just tap on the copy icon at the top of the screen. Now as you can see, copied to Clipboard. From here, you can paste the text anywhere. Just tap on the blue icon on your cursor and tap on Paste. And this is how you can copy and paste text on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.